Hi everyone! Today we are diving into the process of clearing out our watch history on Facebook. If you've been wondering how to tidy up your viewing trail, stick around as we walk you through the steps. First thing first, fire up the Facebook app on your device. Now, what you want to do next is head over the To Video tab. Once there, navigate to your profile located in the top right corner. Here you'll find access to your watch history. Now, upon tapping those three dots, or you might notice something, there is currently no straightforward way to delete your watch history from this menu. That's right, it's a bit of a dead end for now, but fear not, we've got another route to clear out that history. Head back to your profile or menu, scroll down to the bottom of the page and find Settings and Privacy. From there, navigate to your privacy shortcuts. Within the privacy shortcuts, scroll down to your Facebook information and tap on Access Your Information. Now here is where the magic happens. Tap into your Facebook activity, then click See More and find the section Videos you're watching. Once you are there, you can either individually select videos or opt for the No Clear option by hitting Clear Video Watch History. And just like that, your watch history is wiped clear. Easy peasy, right? Thanks for tuning in, folks. Don't forget to hit that like button, subscribe for more handy tips, and take care.